Yeah.
These will be mute.
Much better.
Yeah, they're
Yeah, much better.
You're telling me, I couldn't see.
I know, right? So a little bit more?
A little bit more. That should be right there.
Yeah, it's definitely a 2 to 3 person job.
Oh, you gotta have 2 people.
You get too much sugar and clean your stick off. Or you stop it and clean the thing off.
Yeah, this shit over here.
When it starts getting hard though, Danny, like if you have sugar clumps, you stop and you scrape that thing, and it'll stop that.
Yeah, but you're not gonna make that much.
We're rolling.
I know I am.
We're almost done.
She said we're rolling. She holding the camera. We're rolling.
Danny's gonna have to mute all this thing. He's been cutting it, clipping it. We're rolling.
This is fun. I won't have a deposit on my apartment anymore. When I move out, I'll have, what's up with all this sugar everywhere?
Probably a couple of bass
A
now.
little bit more in.
Yep. You know how much you know how much it costs for a bag of cotton candy make?
Probably 10 cents, what, 10 cents?
Yep. And they sell them for $4 to $8 a bag.
I know.
The big bags are 10.
They're 12 now, 12 and 8.
I see them like for 4, 7, and like 12. For the
Yeah, like 12 and 8 is what they sell for the carnival now.
That container at the carnival costs about $5.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to sell them for, $5.
$5.
5 for 1 or 2 for 8.
Yeah.
The more you buy, the more you get a discount. I wonder if people outside can smell it outside.
Smells like hot. See, now when we did it in the trail, you can't do it now. That's gonna be your problem. It's hot.
Oh yeah.
Whatever you don't sell, you gotta throw away. Because when you get in the trail, it's air conditioned.
Yeah,
Right.
they run them. Like
But in
that,
the cafe, it's air conditioned.
Yeah, you'll find that.
Yeah, so that'll be fine.
I'm talking about when you cook, you go to outside spots.
Oh yeah, right. No, good idea. That's that we need to find out.
When you make so much, you have to throw away. When you sell it, at the end of the day, it's $2 a tub. Just to get rid of it.
Right. Okay, that's a good idea. Cause it won't be fresh anymore.
Nah. By the time you get home, it's hot outside, it'll be melting down. Because what happens, this is what kills you. You see how it looks right now?
yeah, is what it does.
Yeah, it shrinks.
It starts settling, the air gets out of it, and it
It's all
settles.
sugar. And then once they see a half container, they ain't gonna buy it. Yeah, some people are.
Even though really it's the same amount, you just, it's more.
Not max of it. I know, right?
You know when you buy it at Walmart and those bags, like those dollar bags, and it's real hard and
Right.
compacted, that's how it gets. But it's still cotton candy.
Well, some people, you know, they're gonna pay $4 for a whole container, and you say half container.
I know.
You get ripped off.
Do we need more sugar?
Not yet. I think here.
Yeah, we'll just do 2 flavors today.
Yeah, because we're about out of
After this
containers.
right here, matter of fact,
Yeah, we have.
That's the extra containers there. All right, I'm going to stop it.
Oh. Boom.
If
Pull it
you,
off.
you roll.
I think we should do it in the living room next time.
yeah.
All you do is go around the top. Look.
Right, go
Look
before,
at
right.
it, look at it. Let's pretty that is.
There we go. Boom.
You gotta stop.
There you go. Well, maybe a little bit more. Can you use a little bit more, Mike?
And then hand me